Hi everybody, today in front of me I have the ZTE Blade A31 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, open up the Play Store on your device. Here at the search bar type in Opera and click on install. Let the app to get downloaded and installed. It should not take a lot of time, as you can see. Alright, now all that is left to do is to open the app. Press on continue. Set up some of the first launch stuff. The Opera app will ask if you want some of the features that it has to offer to be enabled from the start, or you can skip them. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip the setting Opera as the default browser. Now click on allow, and we are all set. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.